Rock Your Notebook, and I've got a quick unboxing for you. Chic Sparrow did an amazing sale where it was 50% off, and it was a one-time use code, and I have never seen a 50% off before, ever from Chic Sparrow. So I went ahead and ordered two, again, B6 Slim and B6 size. I said in previous videos that I'm working on trying to stay only using primarily these two sizes. I do have some other 2020 plans that I'll go over in another video, but this is just simply an unboxing. And of course I already opened these because who can wait that long? So I did save my order notes so I could tell you what I did get. And what I got was a deluxe tea house matcha and B6 Slim. So that's what this one is. And it's so stunning that I'm pretty sure I'm gonna move right into this because it's Christmas time and who doesn't love green? And I'll use this probably for all of December and January, and then come back out of it and then go back into the light blue one that I already have and I'm in now, but I'm probably gonna move into this one completely. And then I got a deluxe Mr. Darcy Bingley in B6, and I literally opened this up and said, oh my gosh, wow, because the color on this is stunning. I do have to admit that I need some help with these pockets and like what I should be putting in here because I don't normally like decorate them like everybody else. So I'm not quite sure what to use the pockets for. I can tell you I do love having pockets in my traveler's notebooks, but I struggle with decorating them. So if anybody has any ideas for me and wants to share, I would really appreciate it. So again, I got Mr. Darcy Bingley, gorgeous. And I like smooth leathers. I'm not like the Pemberley leather. I have one of those in a folio form, and I can't stand it. I really should just like try and sell it because I don't like texture on my leathers. I like my leathers smooth. So this I'm going to fill with a Scribbles That Matters book that I got in B6 size, as well as some watercolor notebooks that I'm gonna make for myself. And this is gonna be like my art notebook. And then this one is, I'm gonna move into this for the holiday time. I know we're already like halfway through December almost, but that's okay. So I'm gonna take everything that I currently have and here and put it into here, and probably add some other things like a folder for me to slip in some stickers because I got an order from the Coffee Monsters Co., which I have been like lusting over her stuff forever, but this is for a whole nother video. But I'm gonna probably add a folder in here so that I can add that, or I wonder if they will fit like in here. And they probably would without the bag and all of this nonsense. I bet you they fit in here just fine though. See, now I'm just being a hot mess on this video instead of doing an unboxing. I don't want to throw this thing away. I think I might even laminate it and use it like as my bookmark because it's super cute. So I might round the corners and laminate it and use it as a bookmark. Probably what I'm gonna do, but I do need to figure out how I'm gonna carry those stickers around. I might even make a sticker book and just stick them all on there and then stick that in here. I'm unsure, but okay. So I will not be ordering anything else. I have spent enough money, but I couldn't resist that sale. So this is my Chic Sparrow unboxing of gorgeousness. And the deal was, like I said, too great to pass up. Alrighty, that's it for me. Bye.